Je ne comprends pas.
I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand.
Je n'en ai aucune idée.
I have no idea. I have no idea. I have no idea.
C'est intéressant.
That's interesting. That's interesting. That's interesting.
C'est incroyable.
That's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing.
C'est génial.
That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome.
Ka alaya super.
That sounds great. That sounds great. That sounds great.
Je ne suis pas sûr.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
Laissez-moi y réfléchir.
Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Let me think about it.
Je suis confus.
I'm confused. I'm confused. I'm confused.
Pouvez-vous m'aider?
Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me?
J'ai besoin d'aide.
I need help. I need help. I need help.
Je suis occupé en ce moment.
I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now.
Je suis libre.
I'm free. I'm free. I'm free.
J'ai faim.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
J'ai soif.
I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty.
Allons-y.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Allez, viens.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Un instant.
Just a moment. Just a moment. Just a moment.
Je suis fatigué.
I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Bonne chance.
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
Ça fait longtemps.
Long time no see. Long time no see. Long time no see.
C'est un plaisir de vous rencontrer.
It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Quoi de neuf?
What's new? What's new? What's new?
Quoi de beau? Quoi de prévu?
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Je vais très bien.
I'm doing great. I'm doing great. I'm doing great.
Je vais bien.
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay.
Comme d'habitude.
Same as always. Same as always. Same as always.
Merci.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
De rien.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Pas de problème.
No problem. No problem. No problem.
Pardon.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Je suis désolé.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Excusez-moi.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Ce n'est rien.
That's okay. That's okay. That's okay.
À plus tard.
See you later. See you later. See you later.
Prends soin de toi.
Take care. Take care. Take care.
Au revoir.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Bonne journée.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Bon weekend.
Have a great weekend. Have a great weekend. Have a great weekend.
On se parle bientôt.
Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon. Talk to you soon.
D'où venez-vous?
Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from?
Je viens du Mexique.
I'm from Mexico. I'm from Mexico. I'm from Mexico.
Que faites-vous dans la vie?
What do you do? What do you do? What do you do?
Je suis étudiant.
I'm a student. I'm a student. I'm a student.
Je travaille dans une banque.
I work at a bank. I work at a bank. I work at a bank.
C'est sympa.
That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
Quels sont vos passe-temps?
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
J'aime les films.
I like movies. I like movies. I like movies.
J'aime lire.
I like reading. I like reading. I like reading.
Avez-vous des frères ou sœurs?
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
J'ai un frère.
I have one brother. I have one brother. I have one brother.
J'ai deux sœurs.
I have two sisters. I have two sisters. I have two sisters.
Je suis fils unique.
I'm an only child. I'm an only child. I'm an only child.
J'aime la musique pop.
I like pop music. I like pop music. I like pop music.
Faites-vous du sport?
Do you play sports? Do you play sports? Do you play sports?
Je joue au foot.
I play soccer. I play soccer. I play soccer.
On se voit un de ces jours.
Let's hang out sometime. Let's hang out sometime. Let's hang out sometime.
Vous voulez prendre un café?
Do you want to grab a coffee? Do you want to grab a coffee? Do you want to grab a coffee?
Allons manger un bout.
Let's grab a bite. Let's grab a bite. Let's grab a bite.